Rilassare, Stress and Anxiety Control Clinic in Tijuana, Mexico. We specialize in regenerative and anti-aging cell treatments. Rilassare is a clinic that provides regenerative and anti-aging treatments to all patients. Our program is intended for adults who want to revitalize, nourish and oxygenate their cellular system. Our patients seek to live a life with less stress, more energy, better oxygenation, nutrition, clean blood flow, and organic cooling, thus achieving lower cellular inflammation. Our treatment consists of 4 elements or therapies. 1. Intravenous therapy. It consists of adding reagents to the bloodstream that are antioxidants, energy donors, nutrients and oxygen through a serum. Once the reagents are in the blood, they enter the cells by a phenomenon called osmosis, which is the passage of a liquid through a barrier. In this case it is the cell wall. Our reagents are responsible for deoxidizing, reducing inflammation and giving energy to cells. With this we increase the production of oxygen and lower the production of hydrogen. By lowering hydrogen production, we are counteracting acidosis at the blood level. Our reagents have the characteristic of being thrombocytopenic, that is, they dissolve blood clots, cleanse the blood and promote blood flow. 2. Cell therapy. Stem cells are born in Switzerland and are processed through bovines, since this is the animal most similar to the human being at an organic level. They are created through a laboratory that works processing bovine embryos. The laboratory is in charge of seeing in which gestation period the organ to be processed is found so that it is at its highest rate of formation and with greater strength, loading all the genetic information at that moment. This is how these new cells reach the organ to be treated and help regulate its production. We have 70 types of stem cells, between organs and tissues, the same as the human body, and in turn 34 packages that are formed from a combination of them, for a certain number of ailments that are the ones that most afflict the human body. Example: Alzheimer, sexual impotence, migraine, diabetes, etc. Thus, through our cell therapy we endow the body with millions and millions of cells with all the strength of repair, reproduction and genetic information, which come to support the existing ones. All this in accordance and depending on the organic needs of the patient. Its elaboration is a very complex process, from extracting the embryo, to its packaging. This type of packaging is called lyophilization, which is hydrofreezing or cryo-drying. It is a dehydration process where the cells are reduced to a powder. This powder will be the dehydrated cell, which, at the time of insertion, injectable water is added and applied. We have the newest and most avant-garde procedure. We have the privilege of belonging to the Mexican Medical Society of Cellular Therapy, where only its members can obtain it. Stem cells are excellent support for 1. Preventive care. 2. Recover energy. 3. Organic damage repair. 4. Lower inflammation. 3. Hormonal therapy. Stress is the cause of most diseases. When it gets out of control, our body enters an alert phase, thus producing a hormone called cortisol. Cortisol cannot become part of our lifestyle. Stress and anxiety trigger cortisol production. This increases blood acidity levels. The more cortisol and hydrogen circulate in the blood, this will lose the ability to nourish, oxygenate and cool the organs. The balance between acidity and alkalinity is lost. The blood becomes acidic. 4. Magnetic therapy. Our body is naturally negative energy. Magnetic therapy consists of placing magnets on our skin with a negative charge, with a force of 10,000 Gauss, one at the height of the femoral artery and another in the pulmonary artery. These two are the most important blood arteries of our body, this in order to make an external alkaline cell filter or basket. Contaminants such as free radicals and heavy metals pass through these arteries, generating us a magnetic field where the blood is the electrolyte. Due to the power of these magnets, everything that passes near them with a positive charge will be attracted to them in the negative magnetic pole, since opposite charges attract each other. This favors the absorption of pollutants through the skin. Once these 4 phases are completed, we manage to stabilize or improve the pH. We recover temperature, oxygenation, density and nutrients at the blood level. We do a reversal of the circulation, all the organs that in a certain way are filters are uncovered, deflated, and the patient suggests feeling as if he were reborn. Given this, we achieve the objective of our treatments, which is why they are called cell regeneration and anti-aging treatments. Do you want to know how our treatments help you on a psychological level? Do not miss our next video. If you like this content, subscribe to our channel. Rilassare Clinic, harmony in mind, body and soul.